What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. If you're someone that wants to create videos to start to get traffic, leads, and sales, you're going to be learning from someone that's actually been doing it. You can see on my channel, I've been doing YouTube videos specifically promoting affiliate marketing products for over 5 years now. And just real quick, you can see that in one of the affiliate programs, I've been able to generate $23,994. So again, as you follow me throughout this entire video, by the end of the video, you're going to discover how to create very simple videos at about 10 minutes a day to start to drive traffic and generate sales. Now, before I dive into this though, I do want to share, if you don't have a product you're promoting and you want to discover my #1 affiliate system to make commissions even while you're sleeping, be sure to go down below, click that first link, and check that out. But without further ado, let me dive in right now. Okay, so the very first step is to find a product. Now, it doesn't matter where you find it, if you use the recommendation below, or you can go to clickbank.com. Now, if you go to clickbank.com, you go to the marketplace, there's all these different niches that you can find products to promote. Now, what I recommend when you do a YouTube marketing is you choose a specific category and you focus on that category, creating multiple videos. The more videos on a specific category and product, the more chances you are to make sales and commissions. Okay, so let's say, for example, you choose health and fitness. What you want to do if you're on ClickBank is you want to sort results by gravity. This is going to share the most selling products at the top. Okay, and you want to choose one. So let's say the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. You can click promote and you can generate hop links. And now we have our affiliate link. Okay. Now, the first step I recommend you do is you take your affiliate link, you go to a site called tinyurl, you paste it in there and you click make tinyurl. And now we want to save this link in a handy place. This is shortening that long, unattractive affiliate link. So now when we use it in a second, as you keep watching this video, this is going to get people to click and we're going to start to make commissions. But how do we actually do YouTube marketing with affiliate marketing? So let's say this is the product. Now, this has to do with flat belly. Okay. Now, there's two types of videos that I personally do on my channel. And there's two types of videos I personally recommend you do on your channel. So after you create a channel, which takes just a few minutes with a Gmail account, what you want to do is you want to actually create first review videos and then second training videos. And I'm going to break down what I mean as you keep watching. So the first type of video and the easiest type of video is going to be review videos. So what you want to do is you want to take the product, okay, the actual name of the product. So let's say Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. And what you want to do is you want to create a review video. Now, if I go to YouTube, you're going to be able to see that some people have already done this. Now, don't worry if there's competition, if other people have created a video on this, okay, because that means that people are actually buying this product. Also, when you find a product that has a good gravity score, this has a 258, then that means it's selling well also. So what you want to do is you want to actually create a video reviewing that product. Now, it's very important that when you create this video, you include the headline, or the title of your video is the product name followed by review. Now you can see on my channel, okay, I've actually done this. You can see right here, Millionaires Challenge System Review. Okay, I've done this a lot. Ministry of Freedom Review. Okay, these are review videos. Now what you want to do in the actual video is you want to give a review. You want to share the benefits. You want to share some of the cons as well, not just the pros. Because if you just do a video sharing all about the pros and no cons, when you recommend people to go to your affiliate link to purchase that product, not as many people are going to do that because they think you're biased, right? But when you add some cons, you know, I like this, but I didn't like this, that's going to seem more believable. And then we're going to actually point people to our affiliate link. So what is the process? Well, what you want to do is, again, you can do a simple video just like this girl did. She just, you know, very simple white wall background, probably with a smartphone. She just recorded. It's a 3-minute video. It's ranking at the top. It has 47,000 views. And if we open this up, chances are she linked to her affiliate link. Okay, right here. Okay, you can see she put bit.ly. She used bit.ly. Again, you can use tinyurl or bit.ly. And what she did was she linked, this is going to go to the sales page. You can see right here. So she is doing this process. And just imagine, okay, this person here did this video some months back, has 47,000 views, okay? And when they click on this, a good portion will, okay? And they buy, she's making quite a bit of money. Now, what you want to also realize is the structure of this review video. Now, I can already hear some people, their mind, they're thinking, Garrett, what if I don't have the product? How do I review a product I've never bought or never used? Not to worry. It's actually incredibly simple. What you can do is you can type in the product name followed by review, and you can literally just watch a few of these videos. Okay, because what's going to happen is you're going to start to see patterns. You're going to start to realize what everyone is saying, and you can just literally create a video in your own words. Okay, it's incredibly simple, and you can see that people have even modeled each other's thumbnail. These thumbnails are very similar, and you can actually do that as well. You can look at what other people are doing as their thumbnails, and you can create this very, very simple. For the review type video, you want to just shoot a simple, could be 3 to 5 minute video, giving a review, re-summarize what other people are saying if you don't want to purchase the product yourself. And then this is crucial. At the end of the video, okay, so you give an honest review. Hey, what's up? I just want to give you my honest review on Okinawa Flat Belly or whatever the product is. You give some, benefits, some cons, and then at the end of the video, you want to give a call to action. You want to say something like, anyway, that's my honest verdict. All in all, I recommend this product. You always want to recommend the product, especially if you're promoting it, because that's how you're going to make money. At the end of the video, all in all, I highly recommend this product. If you want to get access, I'm going to include a link below. You can click that link. And you're basically telling people to click the link below. And then that first line of your description, you want to put in the tiny URL, right? Or bit.ly, you can use bit.ly. I use tiny URL. You can put that in right here, okay? Remember, we saved it right there, and you can put that in. So that's the first type of video. This is incredibly powerful. You don't need a lot of views. I mean, even just 200 views on your video can get you some sales, because this is buyer traffic. People are going to YouTube. They want to know, is this legit? Is this product worth investing? And when they see you recommend it and they buy it, then you're going to be able to make some pretty darn good money. Now, what's the second type of video I said is training? And again, I do this a lot on my channel. What this means is you want to look at the product and you want to do a video teaching something about what this product does. So for example, this is flat belly. So I know this is teaching people how to get a flat belly. So what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube, okay? And you want to do videos teaching people on flat belly tips, how to get a flat belly. Because if someone finds your video that has to do with flat belly, chances are they're going to be interested in even purchasing your product. So how do we know what topics to make our videos about? Well, what we can do is go to this top search bar, and I can actually type in a few words that have to do with the product. So for my example, it's flat belly, okay? Now, you can even type in how to, and this is going to give you, okay, how to flat belly without exercise. You're going to do how to get a flat belly in 3 weeks, how to get a flat belly overnight. I know these are actual search terms, actual topics of videos I can create because people are interested. YouTube is recommending this because other people are searching for it. So what we can do is I can do a video on how to get a flat belly without exercise. Okay, so if I search this, you're going to see that other people have done similar videos. Now again, what if you don't know how to get a flat belly without exercise? Watch other people's videos. Just watch a few of them. You're going to start to get some information on what they say. And again, you can just do it in your own way, right? It's not, you're not plagiarizing, you're not copying it verbatim. You're just kind of summarizing it. You're curating it in your own words, okay? And what you want to do, again, very crucial, you create a video, you give some value. You don't have to show your face. You can show, like this person did, an image. You can show, a video. You don't have to put your face out there. You can. Even in this video right now, I'm not actually showing my face. So you can do the same thing. And again, what you want to do is title the video, okay, the name of the keyword. So I would title the video literally this exact keyword. Now, why do you want to do this? Because when someone searches how to get a flat belly without exercise, your video is going to show up as one of these videos. Okay. And what's going to happen is people are going to watch that. Now, again, in the video, you want to do something very similar. You want to basically give tips, give value, and then at the end of the video, you want to give a call to action. You want to say, hey, obviously I can't get into all of this information on this video. If you want to discover more information on how to get a flat belly or how to make money or how to get your ex back, right? Whatever niche you're in, you want to give a call to action to find out more information. And then again, we want to take our shortened affiliate link and we want to put it at the top of our description so people will click it. So we're attracting targeted leads and then we send them to our affiliate link. And that's going to result in a lot of sales. Again, you can see the results. I've done this tons and tons of times on my channel. And this is just one affiliate program that I've been able to generate, over $23,000. So this definitely works. And when you apply these two types of videos to whatever product you're promoting, you're going to start to get results. Okay. So I really hope you enjoyed learning how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. If you like this video, you want me to make more, smash that like button. Really tells me that you want more. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel, right? Click the subscribe button right there and the bell icon, okay? Because this is going to alert you of my weekly videos so you never miss out. And last but not least, again, I highly recommend you go to that first link below. By the way, this is a call to action. I'm giving you a call to action to find out more information of my #1 affiliate system below. I'm practicing what I preach. And when you use that system, you can start to create results even while you're sleeping. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.